Ever feel like you're pouring effort into attracting customers only for them to vanish before making a purchase? Many small businesses fall for the myth of the instant sale. We expect visitors to visit our website or social media to immediately sign up or buy something. But that's just not how people shop or sign up today. Think about it. How often do you buy something significant the very first time you see it? Probably not very often, right? That's where the customer value journey, or as we call it, CVJ, comes in. It's a revolutionary framework that explains exactly why people don't buy the first time, and more importantly, what to do about it. The CVJ isn't just a sales funnel. It's a comprehensive roadmap for building lasting relationships with your customers, turning curious browsers into your most loyal advocates. There are 8 crucial stages in this journey, and understanding each one can transform your business. So let's dive a bit deeper into a few key ones. First, there's awareness. This is where potential customers discover you for the very first time. Your goal? Simply to just get noticed. Think engaging social media post, helpful blog content, or a well-placed ad. You're just sparking curiosity, not asking to sign up or to buy something yet. Next is engagement. Once they know you exist, you need to build a connection. This is about them consuming your content, watching your videos, reading your articles, liking your posts. You're showing value, building trust, and proving you're worth their time. Then comes subscribe. Here, they're willing to give you their contact info for more value content. Maybe they download a free guide, sign up for your newsletter, or register for a webinar. They're telling you, I'm interested, tell me a bit more. This is where they become a lead. The convert stage is crucial. It's their first small commitment, not necessarily a big purchase or a sign-up. This could be a low-cost tripwire product, a free trial, or a small consultation fee. The goal is to get them to open the wallet, even if it's just a little bit. It builds momentum and shows they're serious. And it doesn't stop there. After they buy, you need to excite them. Deliver an amazing experience that confirms they made the right choice. You over-deliver. Add a personalized thank you note. Provide stellar support. Ensure they get quick wins. Happy customers are loyal customers. By understanding and designing for each stage, you can optimize your marketing, reduce wasted ad spend, and build a business that not only sells but also creates genuine fans. The CVJ is your blueprint for sustainable growth and deeply loyal customers. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, follow and subscribe.